All right, YouTube, it's Sean, Griffin RC Planes. So the T-28 that never quits. This thing has been crashed, left for dead, out in the tall grass. I found it, took 2 days. I fixed it, had it made in flight a few days ago, and I totaled it. And when I mean totaled it, it was totaled. But I refuse to let it die. But if it still lives after that, we're going to put in the original speed control. And it should crash. So, some long toothpicks, some glue sticks, and we're going to fly it again. Here in a minute. Let's put it together. All right, let me tell you my plan. So the plan is that the wing will not fix to the bottom of the plane like it's supposed to any longer. So we're going to hot glue the wing to the plane. I've got a apprentice propeller. Had to use a few adapters to get it to fit. Once we have the plane together, we're going to make sure that everything's working like it's supposed to. And then in this bag, I have the receiver that came out of it, plus the speed control that came out of it. One of these two things is the problem why it's not flying, why the signal is going dead. It's either power or signal. It could be the motor. It may be. It could possibly be the battery. But I just don't think those two things would go bad. Heck, you never know. So we're going to fly it with a different speed control, different receiver, and then I'm going to take the receiver out and put the original one back in it and try to fly it. If it still lives after that, we're going to put in the original speed control. And it should crash. Once I either put the receiver in or the speed control, one of these two items should make it crash. And that's what we're planning on doing. While we're waiting for the hot glue gun to warm up, we'll put the prop on. So this prop shaft is a different size than the hole in the apprentice propeller. But a lot of those props that I get for my other planes, they come with these adapter rings. And I just put a couple of adapter rings in there to bring it up to size because I'm running out of props. This motor didn't sound all that great. And the motor did, in one of my previous videos, it had a lot of play in it. I was thinking maybe that could be part of the problem. So we'll see. We'll see. While the glue gun is warming up, give you guys a little peek of the wing situation. Get the canopy on this guy so we can flip it over. I've already assembled it once and checked the center of gravity because I was, I'm like, man, I put so much hot glue and stuff in this thing. It's got to be, the center of gravity's got to be messed up. But where it broke and where I put the glue in the barbecue skews is right here. So the weight is like right here, and that's where the center of gravity is. That's where it balances. So surprisingly, I don't need to put any weight anywhere else to get it to balance. So this wing went on. It had a couple pins sticking out of this part, and then it slid into the back of the plane. And all that's gone. So we're going to hot glue it in place. I think the hot glue gun is ready. It's starting to dribble on its little base here. So I say we just get on with the getting on. Sure hope that's enough. I'll squeeze some in the cracks. once once I can flip it over. This glue gun didn't give me a oh, it didn't push out as much as the ones you pull the trigger. I was hoping to glob it everywhere, but that might be enough. We'll try to squeeze some more right down that crack. The screw does work up front. Oop, it was definitely oozing out then. Oh yeah, got the hot glue strings going everywhere. Let's get the wheels on this guy and then get it bound up. I'm kind of working around rain showers. Good as new, guys. Good as new. Look at that. Alrighty, let's put a battery in this guy and make sure the control surfaces work like they're supposed to. Only one set of the dances, so we'll need to enable the safe select in forward programming, which is no big deal. Got safe. So safe select is on right this second. All right, guys and gals, so this is the E-FLITE T-28 that has been crashed, left out in the tall grass. I found it, took 2 days, fixed it, came out here and tried to maiden fly it a few days ago, and it went up and down, and I destroyed it. I'm talking, it busted in a lot of pieces. I just couldn't let it die. So it's been fixed, and we're going to try to maiden it again right now. Transmitter on first. Make sure throttle cut is on, and make sure again, and it is. And then we're going. Okay, maiden number 2, my turn for the crashed and destroyed E-FLITE T-28. Crashed, left for dead. I found it, fixed it, tried to fly it, and it crashed. And when I crashed it hard, guys. It broke up into so many pieces. A few videos ago, you can see that. And I just couldn't let it die. So here we are again. I've fixed it again. Now it's heavier than ever with all kind of popsicle sticks and glue and an apprentice propeller. Had to do some modifications to get that thing to fit. I'm working in between rainstorms right now, so I think we got a window to go ahead and try this, and we're gonna try it. Little test drive here. I've checked the balance, and believe it or not, with all the repairs I've done, all the hot glue and stuff, that the balance is still good, because all the brake and all the problems where I fixed it was right on the CG line. So we'll just give it a little test run around the. Doesn't turn to the right all that well. Turns to the left okay. Really doesn't turn to the right much at all. Boy, I don't want to go out in that grass right now, but that's the way the wind is coming from. So we got no choice. Oh, what a beauty. Let's go in the low rates. I need my sunglasses. Sunglasses are on. In the low rates or mid rates. Whoa, look at this thing, man. It's going crazy. Oh! Why is this thing going berserk, man? Why is it going berserk? We might be okay here. Why is this thing going crazy, man? I turned safe on and safe off, and I tried all kinds of different maneuvers, and for a split second, it kind of acted right, but that was weird, man. That was weird. Why did it do that? Again. What could be wrong with this thing? What could be wrong? The motor? Okay, all right, look here. So let's check our fades and all that. All right, so throttle cuts on. So let's see here. I know you guys can't see the screen. Doesn't have any fades and no holds. Why in the world did this thing shoot up like that